Hello Sagittarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. This reading is for May 18 to May the 20th. Ayan. So Saggies. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. So kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. So yung pong reading na iyon is, yung channel na iyon is catered for our international audiences, no? Nagla-live din po ako doon sa kabilang channel. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome, no, to join our live sessions. Pero kung wala po kayong time, dito po sa video na ito, sa comment section, pwede po kayong um, magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Sagittarius, I would like you to know that this is a general reading. Napakaraming Sagittarius, no, sa Pilipinas, actually sa buong mundo, no. You may resonate with the entire reading. You may resonate with some parts or bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. I'm also reading the dynamics or kung ano yung nangyayari sa relasyon, no? Pwedeng ikaw yung binabasahan ko, yung person or yung third, or yung cross-watchers. But why am I saying third party? So simulan na natin, Saggies. Ang feeling mo kasi dito, Saggies, tinutulungan ka, no? Nitong taong to. Feeling mo, napakatotoo niya sa'yo, no? Parang this person is cheering you up. So, I'm seeing here, parang nakamaskara, no? Itong taong ito. This could be related to romance. This could be related to, what? Family, friends, no? Co-workers, what have you, into whichever aspects of your life. Pero deep inside, parang either gumaganti ito or merong masamang balak lamang, no? From what I am seeing in here, tignan mo naman yung shadow, no? Parang may pakitang tao. And then with the deception, no? Parang ito nga yung sinasabi natin na hindi lahat ng ginto hindi lahat ng kumikinang ay ginto, no? With the triumph in here, I don't know, for some reason I am seeing either a Filipino Chinese, no, or has a Chinese or Asian blood, which is it could also be Korean, Japanese, for what have you, no, something that's very maputi, no, yung likas na maputi, with I'm seeing an Asian mixture of blood, not pure Filipino, with the Five of Cups, the King of Wands, the Ten of Wands. So, hirap na hirap siya. So, parang ang feeling nito ngayon, I think na-discover mo na, no, na meron itong ginagawa sa'yo. Ngayon, hirap na hirap siyang kausapin ka. For a few numbers of you, Saggies, medyo either naka-block na ito. If hindi ito naka-block, siguro nagpalit ka na ng phone number. Or iba na, nag-iba ka ng bahay, pinupuntahan ka nito. There's something about the communications in here na medyo nahihirapan siyang mag-reach out sa iyo. With the death, pwedeng dinedadman mo naman din siya, no? Right off the bat. With the death card, the Three of Cups, and the Sun. I think na gusto niya uling makausap ka, no? In literal form, I think meron din siyang gustong sabihin, i-confess. Pero with this kind of energy, I don't feel like this is very genuine. And I think that you should know that, na parang pasasakayin ka na naman, no, nitong taong ito. With the Three of Cups, feeling ko either pinagpustahan ka, no, or pagpupustahan ka, with the Five of Pentacles, the Devil card, and the Moon card. I think that this person also, parang sabihin nating sinira niya yung mental health mo or sobrang nakaapekto siya, no, sa mental health mo up until yung sarili mo tinatanong mo na rin, no? I'm also seeing narcissistic behavior in here with the devil card kasi ito yung mga tanong na bakit hinayaan ko siyang um, mag-dominate ako. Hinayaan ko siyang ma-influence niya ako in a bad way. Um, with the Seven of Wands, the Eight of Wands, and the Fool card. What I am seeing in here, parang unti-unti mo inilalayo, no, ang sarili mo. Unti-unti mo ipinaparamdam sa kanya na ayoko, no, I am not the same Sagittarius anymore na kaya mong paikutin, no. I believe na si Sagittarius dito is sobrang natuto na. Sobrang, kumbaga, sinabi niya talaga sa sarili niya, hindi na ako, no, magpapaikot sa iyo, hindi ko na rin hahayaan, no, na bigyan ng chance ikaw na sabihin nating bigyan ng chance para baguhin, no, ang course or takbo ng buhay ko. With the Magician, the Knight of Pentacles, the Page of Cups. So, feeling ko sobrang wala ng pag-asa nito sa iyo. Karamihan sa inyo, gumawa na lang siya ng gumagawa siya or gumawa na siya ng parang dummy account. Yun na lang ang pinaka um, way niya, no, para makita kung anong update sa buhay mo. I think that you totally cut this person off, Sagittarius, in your life, no? And you're moving on um, as a happy individual. I think that you are very much awakened, no, sa mga ginawa nito sa iyo. So, Sagittarius, ito muna ang iyong reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign, no, ng taong ito. This could be their sun sign or it could be a placement in their chart. So I am also seeing Taurus, Cancer, no, Aries, Leo, Pisces, no. I'm seeing Scorpio, Capricorn. mm, Um, yeah, so that is your reading. Did I just say Leo? Yes. So this is your reading, Sagittarius. And for sa mga bago po, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, meron po tayong kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa kabilang channel din po yun, no? Magtanong po kayo sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na video. Goodbye.